Hello, craft enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for your crafting needs, the craft organizers and storage cart, compatible with Cricut machines. This rolling craft cart is designed with effortless mobility in mind, featuring 4 universal wheels, 2 of which have brakes for secure positioning, allowing you to transport all your crafting items in one go and save valuable preparation time. With a comprehensive storage solution, this all-in-one craft table holds cutting machines, vinyl rolls, vinyl sheets, and various tools, accommodating numerous Cricut items while maintaining a slim, space-saving profile. Constructed from high-quality medium-density fiberboard, this durable craft storage cabinet is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-lasting durability for up to 20 years. Measuring L 25.5 by D 14.2 by H 29.5 inches, it offers enhanced storage capacity and is perfectly compatible with DIY Maker 3, fitting 12 by 24-inch vinyl sheets and all Cricut machines. This versatile crafting table is ideal for holding a variety of machines, craft tools, and materials, making it a perfect gift for crafters, artists, craft lovers, and beginners alike. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning up after crafting, as this cart keeps your space tidy and organized, allowing you to focus on what you love, creating. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.